Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Breaking news. Police takes over Edo Assembly Complex. What? Hey, Edo State, this election is, I don't want to use the word do or die, but it's becoming really fierce. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time we're reaching you today. A very big thank you to every one of you who have been supporting us. We truly, really appreciate you. God bless you. My people, if you have not given us a thumbs up, this would be a good time to do so. And please don't forget to subscribe. Yesterday, the news broke with regards to the Deputy Speaker of the House being impeached, and the Speaker of the House, Mr. Felix, also said that there was an attempt by Imo State Governor, some other persons, to take over the house in the assembly complex of Edo State. Well, we're about to report that news when we now got there and find out that police have taken over Edo State assembly complex because they are trying to steal the what's it called now? What's the name of this thing that they take in the house? This staff. Yes, I've forgotten the right name for it. Right now, police have taken over this complex. My people, this is just dropping on us right now. This is just dropping on us. Let's get onto the news and get all the details. Edo State House of Assembly complex has been taken over by policemen. Emerging reports state that police took over the action to foster a possible attack on the facility. The police officers were led to the assembly by the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Ayola Ajolo. The political development in Edo State is getting intense as the South State prepares for the September governorship election. A report from Channels Television indicates that the police and the State House of Assembly complex has been taken over by the police, gathering that dozens of security officers stormed the complex early hours of Thursday, 6th of August. High patrol vehicles stationed all around the complex. Police has taken over the assembly and the photos are there. The report reaching us is as a result of some indications of people trying to take over the complex. On Friday, 5th of August, the Deputy Speaker of the House was impeached. Earlier reports indicate that the Deputy Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Yekini Idaye, has been impeached. He was impeached on Wednesday, 5th of August, during a preliminary section of the Assembly in Benin City, the state capital. In his place, Honorable Roland Asoro, the member representing Orowon 2 constituency in the Edo State House of Assembly, was elected Deputy Speaker immediately. Idawo has earlier declined his support for the All Progressive Congress APC governorship candidate Pastor Eze Iyamu. Reacting to Idawo's declaration, the Edo State Deputy Governor, Comrade Philip Shaibu, said Honorable Agbojo and Honorable Yekini collected 40 million each to throw their support for Pastor Sage Eze Iyamu, who also gave 5 million each to councillors to switch loyalty and support to APC candidates. The deputy governor also called on President Muhammadu Buhari to ask Oshomole where he got such an amount of money from to bribe the lawmakers. We know that President Muhammadu Buhari is fighting corruption and should call Oshomole and ask him where he got such money from. He concluded, he is just an officer, a civil service serving in a political position. In another report, Adams Oshomole, immediately past national chairman of the APC, has reacted that Governor Godwin Obaseki vowed to meet violence with violence should the opposition go hierarchy during the haywire during the forthcoming election polls. The Independent National Electoral Commission has subsequently subnational election in the states for September 11, leaving the electoral a two-horse whip between APC and the main opposition PDP. Speaking with Arise TV on Monday, August 3rd, Oshomole berated Obaseki for vowing to unleash violence on members of his opponents if they start with violence. My people, this is what is happening right now as we speak. As we speak right now, police have taken over the complex. Police have taken over the complex. This is what is happening. There have been a lot of issues coming up here and there, and a lot of persons have allowed their self, we reported the news to you yesterday, to be given money to mortgage not just their future, but the future of their children. How can you do such a thing if that is true? How can you allow your future? We're talking about opportunity for not just your children, grandchildren to have a job, opportunity for not just yourself but your family, cousins, to have, to be able to go to school. We're not talking about only the formal education, but also the informal education, learning a trade, becoming an employer of labor. This is what we are talking about. And some persons will rather prefer to collect money. Some persons will rather prefer to sell their birthright. Well, if you do that, it's a big shame. I mean, it is a big shame, and it's very unfortunate that that whoever has done that has resulted to that kind of issues and have decided to carry themselves in that kind of might and capacity. That is not the way things should be done at all, in any way, form, or kind. We must stand up as people of integrity. We must make our voices be heard. We must stand by the side of truth, and we must not allow or promote violence in any way. We must allow the truth to be heard at every given time. Why? Everything we do, we bounce back on us. We need to stand by the side of truth. We need to speak against evil going on in our society. We need to allow good, people with good intention, people who have the ability to be able to manage, the states, the economy properly, give them the opportunity to do this so that we can all live well. Well, Edo State, at the end of the day, the ball is in your court. You are the one who will pick the man or woman that will have the fortitude, to be able to govern Edo State to the best of ability, that will bring growth, development through transparency and moving forward in your economy. The ball is in your court. Pick well and pick wisely, because if you allow anyone to derail or to persuade your vote, you may regret it. That's why we are calling and we are saying, let your voice be heard. Don't allow anyone to infiltrate what you believe is the truth. You must stand by the side of truth at all times. You must make sure that you must make sure that you do not allow evil to continue in your society, because the voice of the people is the voice of reasoning, is the voice that is truly listened to. Anyway, people, what do you think? This is the news reaching us at the hour. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.